These are the standard one-tail alpha you'll find on most T tables. For two tails, I'm going to multiply them by 2. For degrees of freedom, I'll type 1, 2, select them, and drag down for as many as I want. I'm going to place the confidence levels here by typing 1 minus the two tails alpha. Ctrl Enter and move the fill handle to the right. Right-click and select the percent symbol. For the T critical values, I'm going to use T.inverse.2tails. Select two tail alpha, then select degrees of freedom. I'm going to place a $sign in front of 2 here to lock down row 2, and another $sign before A here to lock down column A. Ctrl Enter and move the fill handle to the right. Right-click and decrease the decimal places to 3. Then double-click to copy it down. I'm going to right-click in this area to the left of A and align center the entire sheet. Next, I'm going to click anywhere in the table and press Ctrl T to format as table. Click OK. I'm going to right-click on column A and make it bold. And that's the T table. Thanks for watching.